Hello my lovely birds, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're fine today. I'm going to show latest collection. In this video I am going to show jhumka earring design only for an, and this price is 30,000 plus. Very addictive, very cute, very gorgeous. This collection only 22 carat design earring. Next is a more beautiful, only 300, and this price is 22,000 plus 916 22 carat. Very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Only 300, only 300 23,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous. This collection is one place screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is more beautiful. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot earring design. Very cute this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Lovely design, adorable design. Only 3 Anna, and this price same, very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous. This collection, if you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. It's really amazing this design. This design is more beautiful, only 4 Anna, and this price is 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous. This collection, if you want, please screenshot this design. Very adorable this design. Next design is only 5 Anna. If one you make 4 Anna, and this price is only 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute this design. If one you give purpose for any person, for gift purpose or lover, very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful, only 5 Anna. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this earring. Very attractive this design, very cute this design. This earring was so cute this design, just wow. Only 5 Anna, and if you want, please screenshot. This design is more beautiful, only 3 Anna, and this price is 22,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this design, very adorable this design. Design is Chanbali. Wow, so cute this design, only 4 Anna. If you want, you make 3 Anna, and this price is only 22,000 or 30,000 plus. Next design is a ring design. Wow, so cute this design, only 4 Anna, and this price 30,000 plus. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.